Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Sign in to the same Apple ID on both the iPhone and the iPad. Open settings on each device and confirm the account email matches. Turn on iCloud contacts in settings on both devices to sync contacts automatically. Enable Wi-Fi and place both devices on the same network for faster transfer. If you use two-factor authentication, accept the verification code on the other device. Keep both devices charged or connected. Open settings, tap your name, then tap iCloud to access contacts toggle. Toggle contacts on to upload iPhone contacts to iCloud for syncing. Wait for contacts to finish syncing in settings under iCloud on both devices. Open the Contacts app to confirm names, numbers, and photos appear on the iPad. If some contacts are missing, pull down to refresh the contacts list on each device. Allow a few minutes for large contact libraries to fully synchronize. Use AirDrop to send individual contacts if iCloud syncing is not available. Open a contact, tap Share Contact, then choose AirDrop to send to the iPad. Export as vCard from the iPhone Contacts app and email it to yourself for manual import on the iPad. If contacts still fail to appear, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a resync. Restart both devices and verify Wi-Fi again if problems continue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.